A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for student. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for vehicle. W for wash. X for Christmas tree. Y for yolk. And G for zebra.